everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I've got a brand new project share and I'm so super excited to show you. Oh my goodness, I had an absolute blast creating this. I first want to say thank you to my inspiration, Kelly Gettelfinger from splitcoaststampers.com. I believe that's the website name. Sorry if I'm incorrect. I am just absolutely thrilled with the way this turned out, okay? Now, she had it all paperback, right? And you open it up and there's 4 spots for photos, but of course, us mini album makers, we take things just a bit differently when we are inspired by others. So I want to say thank you to the entire YouTube community and craft community to be out there like me and inspiring each other. So I thank you as a collective for that, and I love each and every one of you. I created this using a complete chipboard outside cover, and I of course changed my own dimensions, okay, to fit my personality, to fit my needs. And I really think you will enjoy this one. This is very unique. It is a folio, but I'm just going to call it a mini album house. And the roof comes off. I do have it on its side right now, and I want to thank my friend Annette. She sent me this paper line, and I'm just so absolutely grateful. This is what inspired me to make the house. So thank you so much again, Kelly and Annette. You guys totally inspired me to do this, and I cannot wait to teach you how to do it. And we'll leave the tutorial down below. Okay, it's on my website, ready to go. Again, my tutorials work like this: a one-time purchase, forever access, instant access, and it comes with every single part with the cut list downloadable file as well. Okay, and so I am so thrilled. This is the paper collection by Carta. Our house has a cardstock sticker sheet. It's got the 4x6 cut aparts, which I did not use in this paper line because they were a little bit too big. But I did use all of these. These are the 3x4 cut aparts. Okay, so excellent, wonderful. This is the shot that I'm going to show you first, okay, the top of the house right here. So these are some stickers. I hand cut these out as well as these, and I added my chalk marker and journaling lines on there, a sticker here and there, a different design paper up there. I did line the edge of the roof with these little pieces out of the paper line. Okay, so this is just a sheet of the paper right here that I just fussy cut those out of. Okay, so that large sticker is expressing how I feel about this whole project, so I am just thrilled. This was an absolute blast, and I've got all the measurements just so this whole thing fits together perfectly. And we love the wood grain for the roof, right? Isn't that super cute? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is remove this, and that's what it looks like. And I can teach you how to make this entire thing. I go through step by step, 100% all the way through with you, okay? Now this is a wonderful little card that just stands up. You can put 2 photos in here or even journal in there if you wish. Oh my goodness, I'm super excited. So here it is. We've got 4 different panels right here, and each of them have their own unique little interaction. Okay, so we've got this little sticker that I detached from the middle, a little brad closure, and these doors open up. Place for a photo, places for journaling. Okay, and that just ties right back up. Thankful is exactly how I feel. Oh my goodness. You pull this down, we got photo space right there, a couple stickers. Look at that. And then this just flips to the side, okay? And these have magnets. All right, wonderful, beautiful magnets. Look at that little super cute house, warm and snuggly. And repeating it right there. Got the envelope punch board notch right there. Oh my gosh. Now this one is pretty cool. Look at this. This goes up and down, left and right. And there's a super cute little waterfall in here. And I left it blank so we could put the picture right on top of the black cardstock. I've got some kitchen inspired little stickers right there. I went nuts with my chalk marker because, oh my gosh, I have a blast doing that. And aren't these little apples and little butterfly and leaves just adorable? We got the cat and the little house. That is the house that inspired me to make it the way I did. And that just magnetizes closed. So right here, we've got this awesome little couple stickers right there and a little closure. I fussy cut these out of the cut aparts page. Okay, a little super cute envelope in there. And that closes back up easy, and then this flips up. Got a little pear and a super cute little mushroom. And then it flips down. Super cute stickers right there. It also flips to the side. Look at all this photo space that you have. We also have got, yep, you guessed it, another super cute little tag in the back. Oh my goodness, it's adorable. Little pot of porridge or whatever that is. A couple more stickers right there. Plenty of 3x5 photo spaces, okay? 3.5 by 5 photographs can fit in here. We'll just have to trim them down just a little bit. And then over here, we got super simple magnetic closure flap right here on the front with the awesome sticker. This folds down and we reveal another waterfall. This time we're going vertical. Okay, we got some more stickers. And then this just ties back up to keep it closed. And then this whole flap opens up and we've got more picture space in here and here. And then an awesome little tag on the side. Super cute, right? Super cute little, oh my gosh, I just love it. I just love it. Now again, I have a tutorial already on my website ready to go. I cannot wait to see you over there, and I hope I do. I can definitely see dog paper being used, or some sort of animal paper, because this can be a dog house as well. This is what I created, inspired by Annette and Kelly Gettelfinger from Split Coast Stampers. And I just want to say thank you, Annette, so much for sending this to me. I absolutely love you, and I love you all out there. And I hope you can join me for the tutorial. See you in my next video. Bye! Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. Welcome to the mini album house tutorial. I had an absolute blast creating the design for this. And it's always great to have a pencil. We are going to label, a scoring tool, a bone folder. Okay, a bone folder. I think this is my best friend. I'll be really serious, this is my best friend. And again, you can use any kind of tape that's your favorite. I'm gonna go ahead and be using 1/4 inch score tape. And I'm just gonna line 1/4 inch score tape around the perimeter of each of my pieces on one side. So just like we did last time, we're gonna flatten the corner out and bring it in. Okay, just use this edge right here, folding that in. So we need 2 pieces, 4 3/4 by 5 1/2. I've got a scrap piece right here. Go ahead and cut him out. Now the first 2 pieces you're gonna see in line will be, again, flap A. So we're gonna score these the exact same way with the 5 1/2 inch side along the top. And we're simply gonna score it 1/2 inch. We're doing all the prep work so we can just make this process go a lot smoother. For every single one of these pieces, when I attach tape, I'm gonna be on the mountain side. Now what that means is that this is the mountain and it's coming off the surface of the table. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick it bottom left-hand corner. So let's prepare flap A. And we can put this in the pinched position, but mitering is just going from that score mark and cutting outward. That's all it is. Okay, so I'm gonna take this art paper and I'm gonna cut it down to 4 1/2 by 6 1/2. I know I'm eyeballing it a little bit right there, but that's okay. So there's my first piece. Oh my God, that's looking divine. And then while I lift my pencil up, I'm gonna move this out of the way and keep my hand right in that spot, because that's where that's gonna go.